So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish up my style by using the Soprano 4x4 Brazilian lace closure. Now the purpose of using the 4x4 frontal lace closure is that you have a free part. You can part it in any direction, any side. Now when placing it, I like to just add a little tack. I tack a little at the back here. I really want to focus on securing it at the front first.
Every mountain top, I never knew eternity was real till I met you. Since that day, I live in a dream. I live in a dream. Baby, you're my angel. I'll do anything to make you smile. With you, I'm in heaven. When you kiss me, I turn to a star. And nothing can break us apart when we're together. Facing the sky, we know that we can fly on the wings of love. And we can climb on every mountain top. I never knew eternity was real till I met you. Since that day, I live in a dream.